Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. The title of this video is called If There Was Such a Thing as a Sexy Ratio, this is the one I would pick. The beautiful, delectable and delightful 2-to-1 ratio. So where I was asked as to which preference would I have over the 2-to-1 ratio or the 1-to-1 ratio, it has to be the 2-to-1 ratio. Now you have the 2-to-1 ratio. Let's go backwards. You have the 1-to-1 ratio, the 2-to-1 ratio, the 3-to-1 ratio, the 4-to-1 ratio, the 5 and the 6 and so forth. But the best is, in my opinion, is the 2-to-1. The 1-to-1's good, it's okay, but I prefer the 2-to-1. I mean, if we could get the 3-to-1 working really well, I'd have the 3-to-1. But the 2-to-1 is the best, the easiest to work with. The 2-to-1 ratio. Standing still, 1 step forward, 2 steps forward, 1 step backward. 1 step forwards, 2 steps forward, 1 step backwards. It means eventually you'll be ahead of the game, ahead, let's say in life. 1 step forwards, 1 step backwards, you're not really moving anywhere. It's more difficult. To go for 3-to-1, it's a bit more of a challenge, a bit more of a stretch, and 4-to-1 even more of a stretch. But to work with a 2-to-1 ratio is beautiful. So the 2-to-1 weight ratio is the beautiful, delectable and delightful 2-to-1 ratio. That's how I feel about it. That is my answer to the question. Which one do I prefer? The 2-to-1 ratio or the 1-to-1 ratio? That is my answer. Thank you.